But I like, huh? The whiskey. Maybe next time you have a box.
No,
you can put another one.
Next time you visit.
It's heavy to carry in the luggage.
Yeah.
Make it two.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Kumusta?
Kamusta?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Hubog na ka?
Manoon na ta.
Ha? Humanatag kaon.
That's about the limit of my science.
Yes.
No, you say inom na ta.
Anom na ta.
Inom.
Inom pa ka.
Anom na ta.
Inom.
Anom.
Drink.
Drink. There we go. Hi, baby.
Wow.
You don't see it?
Is it the big one? Like,
Yeah, the purple one and it's in the
I'm glad you're
pocket.
feeling better.
Oh, hold this.
in my ear?
Hold this. Ana.
Last time
No, but you were upset earlier. You were upset. Now you're in a good mood.
by the way, Daddy, when we were at Auntie Lola's house,
I like your bangs.
my ear was hurting because
I like your bangs.
it had this.
It makes you pretty.
Dad, by the way, while I was sleeping, the swimming pool water came out of my ear.
Oh, yeah, that happens because it gets trapped in your ear.
Yeah.
And it has to
But I like your bang.
Yeah, like it was like
Looks like pretty.
I'm like it came out.
Hello,
while
ate.
It came out while I was sleeping, so I was crying when
Nay.
I
Parang glad.
was
Parang
crying.
glad.
I was crying when my ear was hurting.
Matay no raro magilamugmog neng.
Baby talk,
103 proof.
Both Sam and Yuri speak good English.
Gilamugmog ra oh.
Are they learning
Ah.
in school or?
Before school, this. Igo na.
Wana, igo na. Ang gisakitag tango, nawagtang.
Speaking to Sam.
Oh, nawagtang ang gisakitag tango.
Nice.
But
How is Sam's Messiah?
your bangs is
Dili man na maibot og dili maayo. Hi, baby Nick. No, don't climb up. The baby is here. Ayaw, pray.
He was the only one who speaks English in the
very difficult to.
and it's hard for her.
Careful.
Well, it's hard for her because
Yeah.
Because
Do they-
majority are.
do either Sam or Yuri speak much Tagalog? Good with Coca-Cola. That was
Yeah.
when I saw it. I was like, I bet that. Was,
Yeah, because it doesn't need like to shut This is.
Yeah. Dance. Pray, dance.
Senior sentences is dancing.
Now, Abel said, this is brother's night.
yeah, that's right, brothers, right.
Okay, dance.
Exclusively.
That's right. We have one thing in common. We all
Thank you for coming here.
Thank you so much.
Aha, puro tigas ka daw. Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay.
Okay, cheers. Welcome home, brothers.
Leo said, Leo, in now.
You know,
Being happy.
One bottle of only one round.
Many people, only just 5 of us.
nobody here. We just us.
family.
That's why we call you welcome home, brother, and shots. Kampay.
Salud, kampay, amigo.